World Classroom. Today, we are visiting a chain of tiny emerald islands sparkling in the Indian Ocean, the Maldives. Picture clear blue water, white sand, and corals glowing like jewels beneath the sea. But beyond the beauty lies a story of people, language, and incredible ocean life waiting to be explored. The Maldives lies southwest of India and Sri Lanka. It's made up of 26 natural atolls, rings of coral islands rising just above the sea. The capital is Malé, the language is Devehi, and the currency is Maldivian rupiah. Around half a million people live here, most earning their living from the ocean. Fishing is the heartbeat of the nation, and traditional dhoni boats still sail across the atoll. The Maldivian language has words inspired by Arabic, Hindi, and Sinhala, a beautiful mix that shows how connected the Indian Ocean world has always been. The food is flavored with fresh fish, coconut, and spices. Simple, healthy, and island fresh. Beneath the waves lies one of the most colorful underwater worlds on Earth. The Maldives is home to over 2,000 species of fish, from tiny clownfish and glittering parrotfish to graceful manta rays and gentle sea turtles. Coral reefs act like underwater forests, sheltering creatures, filtering the water, and even protecting the islands from big waves. But these reefs are fragile. When sea temperature rise or pollution spreads, the corals lose their color and life, a problem known as coral bleaching. Across the Maldives, schools and scientists are working together to save the reef by planting coral nurseries and reducing plastic waste. Even small changes help, using less plastic, choosing reef-safe sunscreen, and never touching corals while snorkeling. These tiny actions protect an ecosystem that millions of marine creatures call home. Beyond the sea, the Maldives has rich history and culture too. Visit the old Friday mosque built from coral stone, the National Museum in Malé, or the vibrant local markets full of spices and crafts. Every island tells its own story, and together they form a nation that teaches us how humans and nature can live side by side. Now, let's recap. Capital Malay, language Devehi, currency Rupiah, population about 5 lakh people. Did you know the Maldives is the lowest country in the world? Its highest point is just 2.4 meters above sea level. From its shimmering lagoons to its colorful reefs, the Maldives remind us that protecting nature is protecting ourselves.